Find out what remote support software can do for you. Remote support software helps IT professionals resolve technical issues by accessing client devices remotely. These tools allow technicians to install updates and applications, troubleshoot technical issues, and provide maintenance support without having to be physically present at the client's location. Common remote support software features include screen sharing, which allows users to consult with other technicians to resolve issues. Chat messaging functionality helps technicians communicate with clients while working on their IT issues. Additional core features to look for when choosing remote support software include unattended remote access and control, dashboards, file sharing, multi-monitor navigation, and audit logs and reports. Ready to find the right remote support software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.